So the first thing you want to start with and survey your employees. Find out what it is that they want with a total thank you for sharing type of attitude. I had one of my clients, a textile plant, and they put together an employee experience committee. And the employee experience committee was made of several different departments, and their goal was to go and see what do the employees want. Well, they wanted to listen to music. Well, there were 200 employees working in this facility. So if they had jazz over there and rap over there and classic rock over there, it would be a cacophony of sound that nobody would get any work done. So they said, well, how can we do that? Well, what if the employees listen through earbuds? Now, this is when they still had wired earbuds. And it's like, well, what if it gets caught on the machinery? Well, they can put it up through their shirt. And they can only put one earbud in so that they can hear what's going on. And if somebody were to come up and talk to them, they had to take that earbud out of respect. And it worked. Cost the company no time, no money, and gave the employees exactly what they wanted.